Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we unfortunately have a less than good story, a bad story, a story that I really wish in my heart that we wouldn't have to tell anymore. We've had too much of it recently. It's become too frequent. It's become too common, and it's a problem that we don't need to have. But there has been a report from Virgin Cruise Lines that a passenger has intentionally gone overboard off of the Valiant Lady early Thursday morning. So on the last day of the Valiant Lady's Canary Islands cruise, off of the coast of Portugal, really early Thursday morning, they did report that a passenger intentionally went overboard off the side of the ship. The ship, of course, was delayed while they conducted search operations, contacted the local authorities, the Coast Guard, before the Valiant Lady continued on back to the cruise port. Now, according to Virgin Voyages, like I said, this is according to them, and all of the real details that we have right now is they did confirm that the individual went overboard intentionally and no foul play was suspected. And we don't have any further information beyond that other than the incident has occurred and what Virgin Voyages has put out. Now, Virgin did issue a statement. Our Valiant Lady crew is conducting a search and rescue mission, and we are expecting a delayed arrival into Portsmouth tomorrow evening. We're working closely with government authorities and port officials, and we will be reaching out to our sailors as soon as we have more info. So, and like I said, that's really all of the information that we currently have on this situation. And as soon as we have anything else, learn anything else, of course, we'll let everybody know. Now, last time this situation occurred, I talked about this. This is already coming up, I believe, on our fourth incident of somebody intentionally going overboard on a cruise ship recently. And look, I understand the last couple years, they have not been great for everybody. People have lost their livelihood, lost their homes, lost their loved ones. So I get it. I completely understand all of that. But again, I'd like to say that this isn't the answer. There is another way. There are people that will help you. And last time this occurred, I put the suicide hotline on the video, and I'm going to do it again today. This is going to be the National Suicide Hotline number. Look, if you are struggling, if you are having thoughts, if you are having issues, you are having problems, before you do something, please call this number. If you see friends, family members, anything like that, having these kind of problems, please get them some help. Reach out and get some help. Whether you're cruising, whether you're on land, no matter where you are, reach out, get some help, call somebody. Please take care of yourself. Please don't let this be the answer. And I'm really hoping that we don't ever have to tell this kind of story again because people choose to get help instead of taking this type of route. So again, suicide hotline is right here. Please use it. Please use it. Please pass it along. Make sure everybody has access to it. Make sure everybody can see it. All right, and that's going to be your cruise news for today. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll have some better stories, some happier stories. But I just wanted to make sure we put this information out again, share this information with everybody, and hopefully at least one person sees this. One person calls that number if they need it. One person passes this number along if they need to, and we stop this story at least one time. Hopefully every time, but at least one time. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. We'll catch up with everybody tomorrow and see you out on the high seas.